Hi everyone, welcome back to K-Food Recipe Hunters channel. Have you ever heard of Budae-jjigae? It's often translated as army stew. Why is it called army stew? The dish originated around US army bases after the Korean War, using surplus military ingredients such as spam, sausages, and canned beans. It's called that because Budae means army and jjigae means stew. It's a culinary reflection of Korean history. Today, Budae-jjigae isn't a survival food anymore. It's a beloved national dish enjoyed by all generations. If you love hearty, flavorful, and slightly spicy dishes, you're in for a treat. Spam, hot dog sausages, and ground beef or in bacon. Onion and green onion. Well-fermented kimchi. 1 tablespoon of gochujang. 1 tablespoon of chili flake. 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Plain instant ramen noodle. Canned bean and sliced cheddar cheese. 3 cups of broth, any broth is fine. 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. A pinch of salt and sugar. To make the seasoning paste, mix gochujang, gochugaru, soy sauce, minced garlic, and a pinch of sugar in a bowl. Place sliced spam, hot dogs, ground beef, bacon, kimchi, onions, chopped green onions, and baked beans in a wide pot. Add seasoning paste to the center of the pot. Pour 600 ml of broth and add some water to cover the ingredients. Bring it to a boil, then let it simmer so all the flavors blend together. Add instant ramen noodles during the last few minutes. Lastly, top with a slice of cheddar cheese so it melts into the broth and makes it rich and creamy. If you want to make it more healthier, use chicken sausage, tofu instead of hot dog sausage, and spam. If you like to have a more noodle-heavy experience, add extra noodles such as udon noodle. If you want to make the stew more creamy, add 2 or more slices of cheese. Eating it directly from a pot on a portable burner at the table is the authentic Korean way. It keeps the stew hot and allows for continuous cooking. What's your favorite Korean dish? Subscribe, like, and share it with me, and I might turn it into my next video. See you next time. Bye.